Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let's try fixing unable to download app in App Store. The most common solution for this is checking your storage. So let's open settings on your device and let's go to section General and let's go to iPhone storage. If you have less than 2 GB free, you have to delete a large video or, for example, unused application and try the installation once again. Next, you can verify your payment method. Even for free applications, you need to do that. Now let's go to homepage of settings and at the top tap your name, which is your Apple ID, and let's go to payment and shipping section. And on your card, if you see a red message that says verification required, you must update this information before the App Store will allow you to download any application. Yes, and sometimes the App Store application itself glitches and it could stop talking to Apple servers. In this case, you have to force quit the application. So simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen and let's swipe App Store away to close it completely, then reopen the App Store and try the download once again. So yeah, I feel like after completing those steps, the problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.